Hi, I'm Mark from the NorthShoreCommercialDoor.com. Today we're going to do a little history rendition, and our subject today is EMX Industries. EMX Industry is close to us and close to our heart because they are in Cleveland, Ohio. We're in Elyria, Ohio, so we're only about 30 miles away. EMX's claim to fame is they make garage door automated controls. They make loop detectors, they make loops that go into the ground, they make all kinds of probes that go into the ground that will sense vehicles, and so they're in the control business. They're the masters of making things open and close, and one of their biggest customers is the traffic control industry in this country. Every time you go through a traffic light, you may not know this, but there's a sensor and a control that operate that traffic light. Very good chance that that may come from EMX Industries because they're one of the key players in that industry.
NorthShoreCommercialDoor.com offers the full line of EMX Industries products. Whether you are looking for loop detectors, photo sensors, vehicle motion detectors, keypad or card readers, radio controls, door sensors, or programmable timers, we carry them all. If you have any questions, contact us by chat or give us a call today. Thank you.